killer. Hello everyone, this is the CHAMVIS Metal Round Balloon Arch Kit. Now this thing is really cool. I had a ton of fun setting it up because one, it's really easy to do, and two, I got a new target practice thing, so it's fantastic. But in the box you're going to find 6 arched iron tubes, 2 arched iron tubes with feet, 2 T-shaped bases, 2 water bags, 10 fixing nuts, 1 wrench, 100 balloon clips, 2 balloon glue dots, 2 balloon knotters, and 4 balloon tape strips, along with 2 colored ribbons. Now initially setting this thing up is a breeze. Now decorating it can be a little bit more challenging for some individuals, including myself, as I do not have the most decorative eye. But for people who love to decorate, this is going to be fantastic for parties, events, weddings, and the list goes on. Well, here it is, folks. You can see how tall it is with me inside a frame. This is really tall. Once you get the feet in, the base, you really get to see how you can transform a party setup with one of these cool little arbor things. Now, I am not a good decorator. Not at all. That's why we're shooting all these balloons outside. I'm actually just using this to have fun. So here we have the arch, and the arch is set up in a really cool way. I've got the weighted bag so you can see how it does in action. Very windy day outside, and it's doing pretty darn good. We've got the balloon set up in a pretty basic setup, and honestly, I'm not going to use this arch personally for beautification, and if anybody does, it's going to be my family members who are going to have access to this with me. So beyond that point though, very pretty. You can get a lot of really cool setups, and I'm excited. Everybody shake, 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 shake. Use it to pop some balloons. So that's what I'm using it for, popping balloons. Let's go shoot some. Shake, 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 shake. There you go, folks. This is the cool little arc that we just got. And if you want to learn more about it, check it out in the carousel below. Otherwise, thanks for checking out the video, and we hope that it helped you in your decision making on whether or not you should get this for your next party or your next fun target practice. And well, yeah, my name's Keli'i with Ohana Reviews. As always, folks, mahalo and aloha. Chee!